The Chief General Manager of BrahMos Aerospace has said that the air-launched version of the BrahMos missile was created almost 100% in India, and all Su-30 operators have now been offered the BrahMos air-launched variant, that includes Belarus, Kazakhstan, Venezuela, Indonesia, Malaysia, Vietnam and Armenia. The BrahMos air-launched variant weighs 2.5 tons, and after the strengthening of the Su-30 airframe undercarriage, all the Su-30 variants operated by these countries can be integrated with the BrahMos-A. After opening an office in Malaysia, Hindustan Aeronautics is all set to sign a memorandum of understanding with a Colombian firm to open a new office in Colombia that will enable it to offer the Tejas lead-in fighter trainer, Rudra armed helicopter and light combat helicopter. The Colombian Air Force plans to acquire at least 20 advanced jet trainers with air-to-air and air-to-ground combat capabilities, and the project is estimated to be worth over $600 million. India and Russia are working out details on the development of a missile boat with 800-ton displacement that can be exported to countries with a smaller navy. It will be armed with 8 BrahMos supersonic cruise missiles that will have a range of 290 kilometers. India and Russia are also working on a concept of building a larger missile boat that can be equipped with 12 BrahMos missiles. The head of Russia's Federal Service for Military Technical Cooperation, Dmitry Shugev, has said that Russia is the only country in the world which can actually do a complete transfer of technology in high-tech defense equipment, and Russia is ready to build next-generation tanks and submarines in joint collaboration with India. He also said that Russia supports India's desire to join the ranks of the world's leading arms exporters and has already submitted proposals on the joint development and production of modern types of military equipment with India that can be exported to third countries, which would be beneficial to both Russian and Indian enterprises. The Indo-Israeli joint venture firm Astra Rafael Joint Private Limited has announced that it will take up development, manufacturing, integration, customization and product support of electro-optic systems in India, including airborne electro-optic systems for laser designation and reconnaissance applications used on board fighter jets and unmanned platforms. Ahead of touching down in Australia's Darwin to participate in the 17-nation exercise Pitch Black, 4 Su-30 fighter jets of the Indian Air Force were refueled by an A330 refueler of the French Air Force, which has also been deployed for the same exercise. This is the first time that France has refueled Indian fighter jets in flight during their projection. The Chief of the Eastern Naval Command has inaugurated a state-of-the-art composite indoor shooting range in Vizag, which boasts of multiple passive and active target systems and a bullet trap system with integrated control mechanisms. He also laid the foundation stone of the static test facility that would be utilized for testing life extension, failure investigation and indigenization of all types of missiles and rockets in the inventory of the Indian Navy. India-Vietnam Bilateral Army Exercise 2022 culminated yesterday, and the 3-week-long bilateral peacekeeping exercise resulted in sharing of best practices, better understanding and further strengthened defense ties between both the armies. India Optel Limited also displayed its products during the VINBAX 2022, and the Vietnamese ambassador showed keen interest in the sites developed by the company.